Hi everybody, my name is Crystal. Welcome to my channel, and today we are doing a tutorial on how to use glitter eyeshadow. To start with, we begin just as we would with any other eyeshadow look. That means applying our regular eyeshadow base and at least some of our eyeshadow. So give me 1 second to throw that on. And we're back! I have applied my eyeshadow primer, my base color, and 2 crease colors. Now we are moving on to the eyelid portion. Because I'm sticking with these pink colors today, I want to apply an eyeshadow color that is going to look good with those, because inevitably some of my eyeshadow is going to appear underneath the glitter. This is normal and this is okay. And just like the rest of the eyeshadows so far, you are just applying it as normal. There's nothing different about my technique, nothing special being done here. This is where we start to change things. Next, I'm going to apply my NYX glitter primer. This is a glitter primer, not because there is necessarily glitter in the primer itself, but it is made specifically for holding glitter to your skin. This was among the things I learned on the internet. You don't need a lot. In fact, less is more with a product like this, because if you cake on too much, it's not comfortable for your eye to be able to open and close. It's going to be rather thick. You can use your finger, but I use this silicone applicator, which is also what I will be using to apply the glitter. I got it in the same set of eye brushes that I use for the rest of my colors, the color-coded ones that are oh so handily marked. This is the Glam Topper. So I'm just applying a little teeny tiny bit here. I can always add more. And applying it on top of my lid, the pink that I just applied. I need just a hair bit more. As you can see, it should spread out clear. It shouldn't cover your eyeshadow color at all. Continue with the other eye. And I'm only applying it to my lid, but not all over my lid, just kind of my under the crease. I'm going to jump right into applying my glitter while it is still slightly wet, if I can get it open. And because this is a pressed glitter, I use my silicone applicator to press and almost wipe it onto my silicone applicator, like so, and essentially press and wipe it onto my skin. If you wish to apply additional glitter colors, you may, but to not contaminate your glitter, because this is more of a cream glitter, you'll probably want to clean your tool really well. Otherwise, all this dark pink glitter is going to get into your other colors. And I'm not going to do that today. And you could probably add more glitter primer on top to just make sure it is sticky, but I'm not doing that today. Oh, this headband, the elastic broke, so it's not holding as well. And I can feel the struggle. However, I am going to go back with a darker crease color to help blend this together a little bit. And I'll put it on top of the glitter, just like I would with regular eyeshadow. Also note that I'm using a light hand to not brush all of my glitter off my eye. Also, when you apply your eyeliner after you have used a glitter liner, it is also normal for your glitter to fall off onto your eyeliner brush. So keep that in mind in the types of eyeliner and eyeliner brushes you are using when also wearing a glitter eyeshadow. So for example, I'm using my gel liner and you can see some of it coming off onto my brush, but that is okay because this is much easier for me to clean than a felt tip pen eyeliner so that when I'm dipping back into the product, I'm not continuing to add glitter with each dip. I can just wipe it off with a tissue in between. My hands aren't very steady today, so please bear with me. Mocha came in to supervise during the brief break, and she is now occupied my bed to judge. As you can see, there are little bits of glitter that have gotten stuck in my eyelashes. You can brush those out with tools like this with the finer edge. There are also some tools that are made more specifically for it, but use what you got. Might as well. That's the gist of it. Give me one moment to finish up my face. Here we are. This is the finished look. As you can see, it is very glittery and sparkly, just how I like it. There are a few pros and cons to wearing glitter eyeshadow. Number one con being the amount of fallout. And what I mean by fallout is as the day goes on, you will inevitably have bits of glitter fall from your skin, whether it is onto your face or wherever else. But one potential place that the glitter fallout can be is into your eye. And this can be a hazard and sometimes can need medical attention if you can't get it out on your own, especially with, you know, bigger pieces like these that are more irritating to your eye. One way to prevent this, other than having a proper glitter primer, is honestly fake eyelashes, especially if you have more sparse lashes yourself, because when you are wearing fake lashes, the purpose of eyelashes to begin with is to protect your eyes from irritants. So when you're wearing fake eyelashes, it's another layer of barrier to protect your eyes from the glitter fallout. I personally have never had an issue with glitter getting into my eyes. Well, at least once I started using glitter primer. There was one incident, but it wasn't anything severe. I was able to get it out myself. But I have heard of people that they could not get it out on their own and they had to go see an eye doctor, and they have sworn off wearing glitter eyeshadow ever since. You can use your own discretion, what you are more comfortable with. There are certainly options that are safer, such as, my Aurora Lights palette, which is just a shimmery eyeshadow. You're not going to have glitter fallout from that, at least not the kind that's going to hurt you. There is also things like glitter cream, like this kind I have from Ulta. It is a cream, and any fallout you have, similar to the Aurora Lights, it's not really going to come out in glitter chunks like what I am currently wearing. So if you want to wear something shimmery, I would suggest starting with those and see how you like it. Like I said, I've never had any issue really with this type of glitter, especially not with the proper tools like the glitter primer on top of my regular primer, on top of setting powder, on top of setting spray. But you know your eyes better. I just wanted to share that so you can decide for yourself if the glam is worth the risk or not. Like I said, I've never had any issue, but whatever you feel safest doing, you should know before you glow. Ding! Anyway, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss what I have next. Stay safe, wear a mask, stay home, and I will see you next time.